Hey guys, it is Adeniki here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the OPPO A57. So let's go check it out. And here I have the phone all set up. So there is Touch ID on the side. So the power button is a fingerprint scanner. So if you want to use your fingerprint to unlock your phone, it's very much an option. There is also Face ID if you want to use Face ID. But let's move on to its specifications. So the screen of the phone is a 6.56-inch color-rich display with a 96% NTSC color gamut. There is also an ultra stereo or ultra linear stereo speakers, as well as a MediaTek Helio G35 processor paired up with the ColorOS 12.1 UI. So let's move on to the cameras of the phone. So the camera on the back, or the cameras rather, I should say, is a 13 megapixel main rear camera. And then there is also a 2 megapixel bulky camera, as well as an LED flash for flash photography. On the front, we have an 8 megapixel front selfie camera that is situated on the phone with a teardrop, a classic teardrop shape on the front right here. Some footage of me using the OPPO A57 front camera as well as the mic on the phone. So what do you guys think? I personally think I look horrific. This is honestly not a very flattering camera for me. I don't know what it is. It's probably my harsh lighting. I don't know. I don't understand. But let's check out the back cam. Maybe it's better, I guess. Alright, so here is some footage with the back camera of the phone. What do we think? What do we think? Do you see every single pore and wrinkle that I have on my face? If the front cam is any indication of what I look like right now, I probably look horrendous. It's probably an AI that they have with their stock camera, but then again, I do not look like myself at all with this camera. But what do you guys think? Please let us know in the comment section down below. The phone has a 5,000 milliamperes worth of battery, and with its charging capabilities, there is the 33-watt Super VOOC or Super VOOC. I am not really sure how to pronounce it. Or Super VOOC Super Fast Charge, which brings your phone to 100% in just 72 minutes. 72 minutes, that's insane. So my thoughts. The first thought that came into my head was, that's not a lot of storage. Because right now phones are giving us bigger and better storage space, like bigger and better RAM. So it was quite a surprise to see a 4 gig RAM phone get released in 2022. But then again, the price point of the phone, I'm not really surprised, I guess. I did play some Genshin Impact on this phone and it kind of lagged like a lot. So it was a bit hard to use when it comes to gaming, I should say. Other than that, the phone is very affordable, very sleek, I should say. This glowing green colorway that they have is gorgeous, to say the least. Or I'm just biased because I really, really love this color. But yeah, this is a great phone for anyone who's trying to, transition into adulthood when they can't really afford much. And this is the first phone that they could afford. This is a great phone to start out with. So speaking of playing Genshin Impact on the OPPO A57, Genshin Impact is actually set to release their version 3.0 update. So if you are someone who is wanting to check out Genshin Impact or is already playing Genshin Impact as a veteran traveler, be sure to check out the version 3.0 set to release on August 24th. And that is it for the review, guys. If you do want to avail your very own OPPO A57, the phone retails for 8,999 pesos. Mind blown. It is a very affordable phone for the very great specs that you get. So if you do want to avail your very own, you can contact your local OPPO representative, or you can go to your local OPPO retail store today. Again, this has been Ate Nikki, and if you guys like this video, hit the like button down there. And if you want to see more Tech Kuya, we upload videos semi-frequently. So if you want to see more of that, there is the subscribe button down there, and there is also the bell notification if you want to be notified every time we do make an upload. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything that you want to say to us, please do so in the comment box down below. And again, this has been Ate Nikki, signing off. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!